here are a few changes on this website just to see if we are seeing the same. So basically, let me just go to all the description, check the community list and show properties in Fort McMurray. Everything is good, but Eagle Ridge showing Calgary. Any chance you can check this and just show Fort McMurray? So just Eagle Ridge, because everything else I see perfect. That one. This is good. Good. Listings are great. So on the home page, everything looks good. Next, contact. Any chance we can have these two as well with a different photo of this interactive and her green for these elements? If that can be done, that will be awesome. Then let's see, homeward. This is okay. Sellers. This is also okay. She'll send us the photo for the background. Yes. When it comes to mobile, as you can see on my end, even though I hard refresh it, it still has some like a second banner is coming up. Let me see a different. You see this? So this needs to be updated. And the photos for the website, I believe she's going to send us all the photos that needs to be added to the website. That should be it for now. Thanks.